Meaning of grandmother.
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 Grandmother. Grandmother is a noun that refers to the mother of one's parent. It is a familial term used to describe a woman who holds a special place in the family, often seen as a wise and caring figure. Grandmothers can play an important role in shaping the lives of their grandchildren by passing on valuable lessons, stories, and traditions. They are often seen as a source of comfort and support, and many people have fond memories of spending time with their grandmothers. Overall, grandmother represents a cherished family connection and a symbol of love and wisdom.